the most important thing when buying a home? Is number one, the location. Number two is the floor plan. And number three, in this market, is the additional rental income. And guess what? At 447 Harkin Place, you have it all. Welcome home. Property features 4 spacious bedrooms, an open concept floor plan, tasteful upgrades, rentable basement apartment, a double car garage with no sidewalk for ample parking. Now that you have seen the house, let's talk about the location. We're minutes away from top-rated schools, Sherwood Community Centre, transit at a walking distance, groceries, surrounded by a lot of conservation, and so much more. This is Umar Farouk with Remax. Call me if you're interested.